Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just received my passport today. My passport is about to expire in 6 months, so I got an appointment yesterday in Bangalore Lalbagh office, and today my passport was shipped through speed post. So the passport service is really good. I did not expect to receive my passport in one day. So let's get into the video. So the main reason for making this video is a lot of people go to third-party agents and other agencies and pay 500,000 rupees extra just to fill the application form and get their passport appointment done. So that is absolutely not necessary. I'll just share my screen and show you guys how to book an appointment, online in your nearest passport office. For me it's Bangalore, but this procedure is same across all the cities in India. You don't have to worry. So the 36-page passport, if you want to get a new 36-page passport, it's 1,500 rupees, and if you want to get a 60-page passport, it's 2,000 rupees is what I paid. So my passport is 60 pages. So you can also opt for SMS service, which is 50 rupees. So I would suggest to opt for this SMS service because whenever the passport, whatever the status of your passport changes, like it's sent for printing, it's the printing is done, or your passport is dispatched, or what will be the agent's name, whom your courier person over the passport name will be sent to you, everything will be updated. Everything will be updated to you via SMS to the mobile number you give. So before I share my screen and let you guys know the steps, a few simple steps to get a reissue or a renewal of a passport, please do subscribe to my channel. The 90% of my viewers are not even subscribed to my channel. Subscribing gives me a real motivation to make more videos like this and share more information videos with you guys. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so let's get started. So once you go to Google, you just have to type passport renewal. So once you see the first link, that is passportindia.government.in. So this is the legitimate website. If you go down, there are a lot of fake websites, so please beware of that. So once you click passport renewal, the second thing that you need to do is online form submission. So just select register now. So this is for a new user registration. Let's say I'm a new user and I want to register myself into the passport portal. So if you're already a registered user, then no problem. You can go ahead and log in with your credentials and start the same application form that you're seeing right now. So I'm registering at passport office. I stay in Bangalore, so it'll be Bengaluru, and the given name, your as per your old passport, if you open your old passport, so the given name and the surname would be clearly mentioned. So I'm giving my given name and the surname, and due to YouTube's policy and the government's policy, I'm just blocking out my personal details. So you just go ahead and fill your date of birth. Date of birth. Yeah. So that's done. So then give your email ID. So once you give your email ID, you choose another option other than choosing your email ID as same as the login ID, because sometimes your login ID will not be available. So I'm choosing a different login ID and I'm giving the password. And just select your secret question. So this will not be visible on the screen, as you can see. So then I'm just hitting the captcha. So click on register. So this would say, thank you for registering into Passport Seva portal. To activate your account, please click on the link on the email sent to your email ID. So this link will be active only till 13/01/2022. Today is 6th of January, the day I'm recording the video. So it's valid only for approximate about 7 days. So and the next step is I'm just going to my email and I am clicking on the link to activate. So it's going to ask me my user ID again. So I'm giving my user ID and your account has been successfully activated. So now click here to login. So login again, I'm going to give the same user ID. So continue, and the password would be the password which I have given during my registration, and I'm going to enter the captcha. PYST 6C. So I'm logging in. Yeah. So when you get the option here, you have to click on apply fresh passport or reissue of passport. So this video mainly targets reissue of passport, but the apply passport is very much similar. The only difference would be when you're reapplying the passport within your expiry, there will not be any police verification unless your address is same. So if your address is same, there is no police verification. But if your address is different from your old passport, then it has to go through the normal process through the police verification. So the alternative one and alternative two, you can fill the application form online. So this is what we are going to choose. Everything is online. So please select the passport office. So I live in Bangalore, so I'm going to select Karnataka, and I'm going to select Bengaluru. So accordingly, you can select the same thing. So now you're applying for a reissue of passport, and passport validity expired within 3 years. So mine is about to expire in 6 months. So I'm just selecting as within 3 years due to expire, and the application is normal, and the a type of passport booklet would be 60 pages. So according what your requirement is, 36 or 60, according to that you can just go ahead and 60 pages select कर सकते हैं. So next thing would be the given name. Yeah, and here the given name and the surname, whatever details you're gonna give, it should be same as whatever is there in your previous passport. So ensure the details are same. So have you ever been known other names? No. Have you ever been changed? Have you ever changed your name? No. And I'm just going to give my date of birth. Yeah. So is your birthplace out of India? No. Place of birth would be Bangalore, and state UT would be Karnataka. District would be Bangalore. Marital status is if you're married or single, depending upon that. So I'm just So citizenship of India by birth, PAN available, no. Employment type would be private. So is your parent any a government servant? No. Educational qualifications, graduate and above. Yeah, this is the most important step. So if you've completed your graduation, that is 10th and above, or not even graduation, if you've completed your 10th standard and above, then your passport is of course eligible for non-ECR category. So visible distinguish mark, Aadhaar number. So you have to give your particular Aadhaar number, and you have to you have to select yes. So in my case, I'm just going to give uh, uh, yeah, I'm just going to give my Aadhaar number, and you have to select yes, and you have to click on next. So it'll just reconfirm all the details. So it's going to select Aadhaar number, and please provide your father's name, surname, mother's name, and legal guardian's name if applicable, as per the passport. Again, it's all as per the passport. Yeah. So this again is your house number, village, town, whatever you select. It has to be exactly as per your old passport. So police verification was done in a particular area in your in near your house. So the same thing needs to be selected. So I'm just filling the details. Just clicking is a permanent address, yes, and yes. So I'm just clicking on next. So yeah, so you have to give just your emergency contact. If you have any emergency contact, your brother's number, or your any relation number, you can go ahead and give that. Yeah, so this is your old passport details. Like once you give your old passport details, whatever the details are there as per the old passport, you can just go ahead and give that. Give your all the details should be given as per whatever is there. And have you ever issued but not issued? No. Details should never held? No. Next. So you just select everything is no. So just go ahead and select everything is no. Just go through this, but for most of the people, if you don't have any court case or a police complaint against you, this will by default be no. So if you just select next, then just check whatever details are there in your application form, and then if you see this through this option, you would be seeing that yes, enroll, I wish to enroll for passport seva SMS services. So this clearly means that you are giving permission to give you the SMS updates, like if the passport is sent for printing, or if the passport printing has been completed, or if the even the counter numbers will be updated immediately. So this amount of 50 rupees you'll have to pay in the counter in the passport office. And yeah, so you'll get a very timely updates even when your passport is dispatched. You will get a very timely updates to your mobile as an SMS. So you can select your place of birth, your place of resident address, and submit form. I'm not going to give submit form here because I've already submitted and I've got the passport today. So once you click on submit form, it'll redirect you to a payment page. So once your payment is completed, then you can go ahead and schedule an appointment. So scheduling is an appointment is very simple. So after this, after you click on submit form, you'll get a option to schedule an appointment. So one thing to be noted here is the time is automatically generated. You can only choose the day. So let's say you have chosen 8th of January. So the time before we could choose the time, but now as per the new rules, the time will be automatically given to you, and you have to go there 30 or 45 minutes prior to the appointment. So just in case, just be available there, and they'll call you batch by name. So batch number would be displayed on the application form once your booking is completed. So as per the batch name, just go stand in front of the gate and they'll allow you batch by batch upon verification. So the mandatory documents to let you in would be Aadhaar card original copy, passport, your previous passport original copy, and any address proof or ID proof. Apart from that, as per your document list, whatever you choose the options in the application form, as per that you have to carry your ID and address proofs. So there is a very, very important question. So when filling the application form, I had filled my surname in the given name itself. So when that happens, you don't have to worry. Whatever you fill, like if you feel wrong in the application, if you go to the counter, inside the counter, you will have an option to change it. So the person in the counter one would ask you if your details are correct or if you want to be changed. So if you inform that person, no, your details are different and you want it to be changed, so he'll surely go ahead and change the details accordingly, and he'll move to the other counter. So there's nothing to be worried about. Even if you feel anything wrong by mistake in your application, you'll always have an option to go ahead and choose the right information or options in the counter itself. So I hope this information was really helpful. I know this video, I've missed a lot of points in this video, as in what about the payment link, how do we pay? So you have to pay by credit card and or Google Pay or debit card, or you can also pay through Challan. Yeah, so once the payment has been done, then you will get a page automatically for the appointment availability, and you can only book the appointment once your payment is green. So I have chosen the passport offices Bangalore, and I'll just be entering the captcha. S3UDN. Yeah, so you can see here the appointment availability. So this is what I was looking at, and you can see for 7/1/22, it is 1090 slots are available. That is tomorrow for Saturday, there are 1090 slots available. And like I said at the beginning of the video, you cannot choose the time. You can only choose the date, and you can, if you select book, the time will be automatically chosen for you. So as I've chosen Bengaluru, it is going to show me all the related passport offices within Karnataka. So you can see this is where I went and got my passport appointment done. So this was normal what I went. So there is also separate queue in the line for Tatkal. So normal is what I got done, and as you can see, there are so many slots available, and one of the slots will be automatically selected for you. So I hope this information is really helpful. So please do let me know in the comment section if you have any questions, or if you want to ping me on Instagram, if you want to speak to me, please do reach out to me on Instagram. I'll answer your questions. So I hope this information was helpful again. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.